everyone, this is Maniramakrishna. Now I'm going to explain about the how to make quizzes with the Google Form Builder, okay, along with the timer. Okay, so to build the with the quizzes, okay, so here we are using the Google Forms. So to create the Google Form, so go to the drive and so here click on the new. You can find the Google Forms. Okay, you can take the blank one. Okay, so from that one you can. So here I already open the one form, okay, which I have created in earlier. So here I have to do the one thing, okay, so you can give the your email, okay, so whatever the collections you want to take from the students, okay, that we can collect. And here I already added this some questions, so you can see, so you have added some questions along with. So if you need any questions, okay, so we need any questions, so we can add and delete, okay, here. So here the student name, hall ticket, so here is a question, so you can having the short answers, paragraph, okay, so short answer paragraph is we can fill the for any types, okay. Here I'm taking the multiple choice, also easily assist so assessment purpose, okay, as well as his exam, okay. So I'm taking multiple choice, and we have, so here, so we can choose the, so if wanted to put the, for questions you want to put the, so in the form of, okay, so question, and it will indicate the whatever the details you can indicate with the image also. And here, so questions multiple choice also we can indicate with the images, okay. From the images I can put, so here two, so here is a making the forms, okay. So we can add the sections, so you can add the like this, okay. So thank you for attending demo test like this. So for this one we have to click on the this text bar, okay. From the text we can click on, so okay, it will be appearing like this. So you can put on the add video and different sections if you want, okay. And here is the questions, okay. If you any created any previous questions, okay, that you can add, so add questions will be there, okay. If you want to import the questions from previous forms, okay, if you have created, okay, then from then also you can collect. So here is a text box, so add, want to add text, to add title like this. So here title and description if you want you can do. So to make this one as a quiz, so you have to do as a go to settings, okay. Go to settings, and you have to make it as a quiz, okay. Make this as a quiz, so you can give the students of the manual, okay. So if you wanted to give the manual grading, you can click on the immediately after each submission, so you can give the responses, okay, what are the missed questions, correct answers, point values, okay. And here the make, okay, you should make sure that if you want to make as a quiz type, you can click on this one, okay, general question. So if you wanted to collect the email address, you can put it. And if you want to pick, so for one email you can put the one response, okay. You have to click in this limit to one response, okay. So if in the sometimes, okay, so quiz, so if you wanted to edit after the details, okay, you can do that. So for quiz purpose don't do this, for edit after submit, okay, see summary charts and text run, so don't do. So just click on the collect email address, okay. So you can do the, so you can change the question order, okay, shuffle the question orders also, okay. So if you want to submit, okay, so confirmation mail after attending the exam, okay, so you can put the confirmation message for writing whatever, okay. So it is about the settings. Now you can click on the save, so here I have saved. So and coming to the responses, so here I was, so to make the responses, okay, to collect the response, so here have to click on the this Excel sheet. So if it this is for, okay, so click on the new spreadsheet. So if you want to do already, if it existed, okay, so if it is not exist, just click on the create new spreadsheet and create this one. So it will create the one spreadsheet that will in your drive also, okay, that will be goes to the in your drive. So now coming to the how to add the type, okay. So here we're having the add-ons, so click on this three dots button, so it will goes to the add-on section, okay. So we're having the add-on session. So in the add-on sessions, okay, here in this one add-ons, so search as a from presenter. So okay, from presenter plus timer. So here will comes. Okay, here I am already installed that one. Okay, so it will come to like this. So click on this and it will goes to the install. Okay, for installation process again you have to log in with your email ID. Okay, and from that one you can log in. So it will goes to the how it is take places. Okay, so here tracking also will be done sometime. So that is for cases I have. Let me discuss. So click on this install and do with the your email ID. So then go to the here, it will appear like this. If it not appear, just click on the refresh button, then appear. So here go to the form presenter plus timer. Okay, so it will ask the, so it will not run, right? So you have that by, so here, so just click on the refresh button. Okay, it will appear like this. So here I am already open, that's why it's not showing there. So from this one here, from presenter plus timer, this is the app. Okay, so it the add an app, so you can give the demo. So here given title and in the welcome messages. Okay, in the instructions if you want you can give. So if you want to change anything you can change. Okay, so you can give the what the timer is there. Okay, so here we have two types of time. So for if you want to instant time, okay, for each case, so if you want to open, okay, so if you give the assessment only for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, 30 minutes, okay, so you can put it as a timer. So and you can put the break. Okay, so if you wanted to, I know, low break, okay, you can put, or else you can alert. Okay, you can alert the before the last 3 minutes. Okay, next if you wanted to put as a for schedule time. Okay, for schedule time it is also take place. Okay, so strict timer means, so it will appear in the selective zones, that will also take place. So for it is well for a schedule. So if you want to without schedule and whenever open, so it will having the 30 minutes of time. Okay, it will be like this. Okay, so alert message, so you can put the alert message. Okay, alert before 3 minutes. So here is some of the controller. So here controller we can use. So next we have the action control. So this is for the paid version upgrade plan. So without the upgrade plan also we can use. Okay, so we have the some other add-ons also there. Okay, so to track the visits. Okay, but it is easy for now. Okay, so you can give the quiz score. So you can click on that and save setting and publish form. Okay, so it will publish and you can give submit this one, integrate with the your Google Classroom also. Okay, so now I'm copying the link with the, okay, so I'm copying link. I'm now I'll show the how it is look like. So I'm pasting it. Okay, it will shows like this. So demo online quiz. Okay, you can start with the 30 minutes. So here we have starting. So it will appear like this in the slides. So here timer will appear, so it is showing the 30 minutes of time I put it. So here current time, okay, it will also show the current time and when it will, okay, started time and current time. So how it is take place. Okay, when you started on 8 minutes, okay, current time also shows and it will be appeared. So you can have to give the your whatever it is. Okay, let's check it. And here I'm giving the my mail ID. So here I've given the some of the questions. So you can put the your hall ticket number also. Okay, so just, okay, here it will appear like this tracking ID. So just click on the submit. Okay, after that student can view the score also. Okay, it will show the, okay, like this. So after submission it will show the thank you for using form presenter and attending demo. and it shows your score also. Okay, whoever the attendees were there, so score and number of points and percentage, so how much percentage you scored, so that will be appeared. And here you can see the, okay, so what are the total points are there. Okay, so that will shows what are right, which one is right, which one wrong. Okay, that will also shows here. So here I'm putting the sum of the options, that's why it's showing like this. Okay, from that one, so this is the from presenter. Now, so if you wanted to put it as a, so here we're having, right, so like students controlling. Okay, to control the students. Okay, we're having the another apps, so that is having the, so we having the add-ons. So that's add-ons name is that timer protect. Okay, so timer protect, so here we can do that, so it will appear. Okay, so okay, sorry, whatever the responses we have stated. Okay, so response also collected here, and whatever the students achieved. Okay, so that will be in the appear. So with the timestamp, email id, what are the score. Okay, what is the student name and hall ticket, and what are the questions they attend. Okay, so from the responses we get the student marks, student name, hall ticket name, and email id. Okay, so timer also we can shows like this. Okay, is about the how to make it with the simple timer option. And so we having the some other add-ons like this. So we having the timer protector, sorry, time protector. So if from this add-on, so we can do the many thing like, so for photo collection. Okay, if you want to take while taking students at in the, if you wanted to control the student, like, so in invisible as like act as an invigilator, so from this add-on so we can do. But so for simple and using purpose, okay, assessment purpose, we are using the only this one. Okay, timer protector also we can use, but it is having the some of the issues, like, so if there is no person should be there. Okay, so only silence we have to place, and background issues all there. Okay, for simple and applications we can use the form presenter plus timer. Okay, for assessment purpose. Okay, thank you. This is Maniramakrishna signing off.